Go. Talk.
Hi guys. Today, I just got back from my Cub Scouts, and it was a Halloween season Cub Scouts, and we got trick-or-treat bags from when it was the end, and now I have this. I got this from the bag, and now it's a slime bubble blower. Let's test it out. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Slow and steady. Slow. Here it comes slowly. Slowly. Oh. Look at that. You can take a breath. Blow again. Ooh, does that look gross? Ew, that sounds disgusting. Ah! That was pretty cool. What do you think?
Oh, that was good.
Pretty gross.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right.
Let's try that again.
All right, well, why don't we just like and subscribe and check back for more videos? Whoa. So he's not doing it slow and steady. He's doing it fast. All right, check back in for better videos. Be sure to smash that like button, ring that bell, and check back in later. Peace out. Peace out, guys.